How to delete Outlook account permanently. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. You can either delete your Outlook account through your PC or using a web application. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Outlook account permanently by using your device. Open up any of your web application, then type in Microsoft Sign In. Click the first link, then tap on to sign in. First of all, get logged into your Microsoft or your Outlook account. Type in your email address, phone number, or Skype, then tap on Next. And once you enter your password as well, you will land onto a page like this. Here you will see your accounts. Now tap onto your profile on your top right. Then tap onto My Profile. From here, scroll below, then you will see Close Account option. Tap it. Then tap on Close Account. Here, scroll below, then tap on Next. Now check all these boxes. Select a reason. Then tap on Mark Account for Closure. And that is how you can close your account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.